This is what I'm. Good evening, everybody. It's from JC. I'm going to take analog and digital integrated circuits, number system, and logic gates under the topic as demultiplexers. Okay. Demultiplexers is what introduction. I am here going to talk this topic is digital logic gate symbols, block diagram of demultiplexer, logic symbol of demultiplexer, and logic diagram of demultiplexer, truth table, and its applications. Okay. So let us see what I mean by demultiplexer. In digital electronics, a demultiplexer is a device that takes a single inputs and directs it to the one of the multiple output lines. This was demultiplexers. Okay. So demultiplexers, digital electronics, a demultiplexer is a device that takes a single input and direct it to one of the multiple output lines. Okay. So demultiplexer is what? This is what the block diagram of demultiplexer. The input is 1, so that is single input, 2 select lines S0, S1, S0, and output 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is what the main block diagram of the demultiplexer. With the single input, we need to go into the select lines S1, S2, and out of the select line, the output will come. Okay. Demultiplexer, 1:4 demultiplexer. This is what single input and 2 select lines and 4 output lines. Okay, this is what 1:4 demultiplexer. So in the select lines, based on the select lines, the output will go. The data input is single, but if it is 0, 0, the output is come at Y naught. Let us see the truth table. Here the data input is what? Single input, right? Data input. Okay, select line is what? S1, S0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, and if the select line is 0, 0, the output will come at Y naught. Okay, that is what I mentioned here. If the select line is 0, 0, the input is directly go to this output 0. Okay, and this S1, S0, 0, 1. And if the select line is 0, 1, the output is directly go to Y1. Okay, so this is what here. If it is 0, 1, the input will directly go to this output line, output 1. Okay, and if it is S1, that is S1, 1, S0, 0, 1, 0, 0D, 0, 0, right? If the select line, if the input is D0, that is 1, that is Y2, right? The output will directly go to this output 2. If it is 1, 1, right? If it is 1, 1, this D is directly go to this output Y3. Okay. This is what this truth table, and according to this truth table, the diagram is drawn, the logic diagram. Okay. S1, S0. Okay. So here, if it is 0, 0, the input is connected to Y naught, and the D is connected to all the outputs of the circuits, right? And based on the combination, the output will come. For Y naught, the input is connected as 0, 0, and for Y1, the input is connected as 1, 0, and for Y2, the input is connected as 1, 0. Okay, 1, 0, right? And for Y3, 1, 1. Okay, that is what this demultiplexer. Okay, 1:4 demultiplexers. Next, this is what applications of this demultiplexer. Communication system is a set of systems that enable communication like transmission system, relay, and tributary network, and the communication networks. Okay, this communication networks refers to the efficiency of the communication system, can be increased considerably by using this multiplexer. Okay, this is what these applications of demultiplexers. Okay. So introduction, digital logic systems, block diagram of this demultiplexer, logic diagram of demultiplexer, and logic symbol and logic diagram of the demultiplexer. This is what the logic symbol of the that is block diagram of the demultiplexer with the single input, where outputs will come based on the select lines S1 and S0, and for this demultiplexer, the single input, those output will come, and 1:4, this D0, Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, and this is for this applications. Okay, so thank you all. Let us see the next